When we talk about crypto tokens, then new tokens are emerging day by day because cryptocurrency is at its peak and it's spreading all over the world. And now, today, in this video, I am going to explain you about another token, that is FTT. FTX token, FTT is the abbreviation for that, is the backbone of the FTX ecosystem. So let's see its formal website, ftx.com/ftt. You can see that it is stated that it is really the backbone of the FTX ecosystem, and its circulating supply is 258,32671 FTT, and its last price was $39.51, and its market cap value is $909,395,503, while the total supply of FTT tokens are 332,767,892, which is equals to dollar 13,146,328,333. You can see this huge amount. And the another thing, if you want to buy FTT token, then you can buy it on certain exchanges, and these are the names of the exchanges. You can buy FTT token at Binance, at Bitfinex, and Huawei Global, and SNX. So these are the listed exchanges where you can buy and where you can trade FTT. Further, it is stated that if you can hold FTT, and up to 60% FTX trading fee discount is available, and up to 0.02% FTX OTC discount, and you will have the chance to become a VIP 2 membership you can avail. Similarly, weekly SRM airdrops are also available. So if you want to buy FTT, or you can create account over here also. And if you want to stake FTT, then this is all the information about the staking. How much you can earn? They are saying up to 40% referral rates. Means if you refer to your friends using some social media websites, you can get up to 40%, and up to 0.003% for that is maker fee debate, and up to 50 bonus votes, and up to 14% relative airdrop increase, while up to 1000 free daily ERC20 ETH withdrawals. You can withdraw it freely every day, but up to 1000, up to 6 IEO tickets. You can read it yourself. You can find the information if you want, whatever you want, the information regarding FTT token. You can get it all from this website. How you can buy and burn FTT, this is the information regarding this point, that you can 33% of fee generated on FTX markets. And let's check it, this token in on CoinMarketCap. When we talk about detailed information about this token is available in this coinmarketcap.com website, and here you can let's refresh this page, because time by time the information is being updated on this website. FTX token or FTT, the current price is $39.48, and it is 5.59% decreased in 24 hours. Now this amount is equals to 0.00101 BTC, while when we talk about ETH or Ethereum, it is 0.01362. It equals to this much price of Ethereum. Now market cap, here it is stated in all about in 24 hours. The market cap is $5405452,107, and fully diluted market cap value is $13,905,924,435, that is 5.41% decreased. And the total the volume in 24 hour is $124,408,520, and that is 24.25% decrease, increased. And the volume or market cap is 0.02305. You can see check that it's the circulating supply for this FTT token is 136,898 triple 5.72 FTT tokens. That is the total circulating supply. And if you want to see the chart, the changes in the price is displayed in the form of chart. This is the chart of FTX token that is converted into USD, and you can check the values from here. You can check the market cap chart from here, and trading view, you can just hit this button and you can get the trading view chart for this FTX token. You can see that currently it is at $39.46. Currently the rate of FTX token is 39.45, and it is currently increasing because this green candle is showing that it is increasing. Now here is stated the brief information or introduction about FTX token. They are saying what is FTX token or FTT. FTT is they are saying that it is the native cryptocurrency token of the crypto derivatives trading platform FTX that was launched on May 28, 2019. So it's the date where when the FTX token was launched. The team behind FTX comprises, they are composed of some of the largest crypto traders over the past few years who were having they found issues with most mainstream crypto futures exchanges, so they decided to launch their own platform. FTX claims that it stands out due to such features as the clawback prevention, centralized collateral pool, and universal stable coin settlement. So, in regards to clawback prevention, a very important amount of customer funds on the other derivative exchanges have been claimed by the socialized losses. So, FTX reduces this by using a three-tiered liquidation model. uh, this is all the introduction about what is FTX token. If you are interested to know further about what is FTX token, you can read it further. Who are the founders? Now, I will tell you who are the founders of FTX. FTX, they were actually founded by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang. So these were two persons who found who were, you can say, the founders of FTX token. Now this is the brief history about the introduction about the founders and what makes FTX token unique. Means what are the qualities that are present in this token that is making this token unique is FTX is, they are saying, backed by Almeida Research, which is known as one of the top companies or leading companies in crypto trading and one of the largest liquidity providers. So, as such, FTX is a product that was designed by professionals with confirmed expertise in industry. They cover multiple services from the collateral to maintenance margin to liquidation processes and the product listing. They are saying that FTX also claims to be focused on the fast development cycle, so allowing them to deploy crypto trading systems at very competitive pace. How many tokens are there in circulation? You can get the information from here. If you are interested to learn about this token, then there are huge amount of learning material available here, and here also you can get in coinbase.com. Is also a website that is offering people to learn about certain coins. You can get the information from there also. And here when you scroll it down, you can further get the information. If you want as a to ask them as a guest, you can do live chat about FTX token. Hope you like this video, and hope this information is will be very informative for you. I will try to bring more useful information for you about some other crypto coins. Till then, bye bye.